morning. Welcome to day 72. This is going to be laundry day in the bathtub. There is no laundromat. Alright. We got our pile of laundry. We're going to use our Dr. Bronner's. We're going to scrub everything in the tub. And then we'll hang it out, let it dry, and then we're going to go resupply. Say hi to everyone.
Hey there.
Alright. Alright, so everything's in the washing machine. And we're gonna agitate. And we're gonna aggravate. Ooh, that water's getting dirty. That's just my underwear. Wow. This is what the inside of a washing machine looks like. That water is getting nasty. Alright. Well, we're in Daleville. We took a $10 Uber to get down to this shopping center. It was 4/10 off of the trail, but it was 1.4 miles from where we were. That's the outdoor trails. A couple things here, nothing big. And then over there was the Kroger. And way down there, Three Little Pigs barbecue. That was pretty good. That outdoor trails, they worked with us good. Got new pairs of shoes. Everything's good. You could walk right to it off trail. It's only 4/10 of a mile. Not bad. All right. We're sitting under a big tree here at the Quality Inn. We're relaxing on a 0. We're gonna make this a double 0.
Yeah, we're wiped out. I'm wiped out.
That heat was brutal.
Mm-hmm.
She passed out, the dog passed out, and neither one of them's eating. Ugh.
Stomach doesn't want any food.
Yeah. So we gotta do the reset. Get through that heat. This didn't happen when it was cold.
No, it did not.
Everybody kept moving. You gotta keep moving when you're cold. It may be something to what I was thinking. Anyway, we walked around Daleville, did a resupply. We'll lay it all out, what we get and how we do it. Tomorrow morning we'll do a video on it. We'll just lay it right across the bed. We'll make the sheets. We'll make it look pretty.
Will we?
Yeah, we will. Yeah, so we'll lay out all our food, and we'll lay out Bandit's food. We tried something different with his food now. We got a bag of food, and then we got a bag of freeze-dried food. That'll lighten it up, and I think you can get more
protein
in them that way. So we'll see how that works out. That should be pretty good. What else we got here? The Cracker Barrel was great.
Yeah, it's right across the
I
street.
walked right there. It's right in the same parking lot. So you can't beat that. I got my steak. Good stuff. I may even do it again tonight. Who knows? We went to the Three Little Pigs.
For lunch.
For lunch.
Had a pulled pork sandwich.
Food all tasted good, but it wasn't very hot.
No. It was
But
more.
it could be because we were outside. I don't know. The food did taste good though. And the place was pretty cool and had a cool atmosphere. 2 out of 3.
Had a really nice vibe. It did.
It did have a good vibe. For being in a strip mall, it actually had a good vibe. You wouldn't know you were in a strip mall.
Right?
At the other end, when I was panning over with the camera by the outdoor trails, at the very end of that building was a coffee shop. It's a little family-owned type thing there. Stop in and buy a coffee. When you come off the trail, when you come off of from Tinker Cliffs, when you get to the road, I think it's 220. Is that the road? 200, 220, something like that.
Yeah.
Either way, you'll know when you're there because there's a million cars coming by. If you go left, it's 4/10 of a mile. If you don't and you decide to continue across the trail, you got to go across the road. You got to island.
Lanes.
You got to island hop. Clear the left side and then clear the right side.
It's a busy road.
And then from there, if you want to stay in town, you take a right, and it's about the first hotel's like right there. It's the Spark by Hilton.
Yeah.
And then after that, you got to walk down the road and around by 81. I would probably take the Uber.
Yeah.
I did it at 4 o'clock yesterday.
It was not safe.
There's no space between the lane and the cement wall holding up the bridge when them trucks come through. I'm wearing bright orange. That's the only reason they saw me. That and my poles were sticking way out. And then you had the island hop over here for $10. Just take the Uber. You got coverage. There's an Uber everywhere around here.
Mm-hmm.
We only had our longest wait was 7 minutes. It said 9. It was in 7. The first one said 10. He was there before we got down the stairs.
Right.
So definitely well worth it. Cool little town. I mean, it's a truck stop town. You got trucks there's a lot of trucks on 81. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
I don't remember I've taken 81 down here. I don't remember that many trucks, but when you're driving in it, sometimes you don't notice it either.
It's a hiker town too. Everybody we saw was like, through hiking.
Oh yeah, they all just by the way you look when you walk through town. Could be this mess too I got going on here. I got 4 more months of that.
But they all wish you the best of luck.
All of them.
They all support you.
All hiker friendly.
All hiker friendly.
Yep.
Even
a Uber driver.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, he took in some people from around here and wrote a book. He said that the couple's done it more than any couple has done it together. I think like 5 or 7 times, something like that.
Yeah.
Said they wrote a book. But anyway, this has been pretty good. We're going to chill out. Get that rest. Got my new shoes. I went with the Topos again. Different model. The other ones were the Ultra Venture. Those were almost like Hoka's, like the Speed Goat with all that rubber underneath. It was like walking on a marshmallow. It got me out of the jam and I was thankful for that. But this pair is a little more aggressive. These are the Traverse. I think they'll hold up a little better.
And I got Merrill Moab boots.
Merrill Moab 3s.
Yep. I got the boot. I need the extra support on my ankles. And I need the extra support when I'm carrying that heavier weight.
Yep.
With Bandit's food when we're heading out, so.
I got his food.
I got his food too.
Oh.
We split it.
You get the freeze-dried stuff.
No. I take 2 and you get 4.
Oh. Either way, it doesn't matter.
I take the extras bag. It all weighs out.
Yeah, but I eat all the extras.
Yeah, but not fast enough, man.
Oh, I don't know. I've been eating them pretty quick. I've been eating like a king. All right, so we'll let you go here, and we'll put together something. I know people have been asking to see how we do it, so we will do it. I will do my best. It's a different type of video when you do that, so it's tough to think out in your head.
Yeah.
I got to think like a professional now. I'm going to do this for a career, I think. I need more followers. Tell all your friends. Tell them to join us. Say Dave doesn't want to work anymore. Dave wants to do this for a living. I'll go hit all the trails you want me to hit.
We just got to finish this one first.
We're going to finish this one first. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're going to finish this one.
Yeah.
All right. That's it for now. Peace.